Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you my new simplified planner. So I received my planner just the other day and I haven't actually opened it yet, so I'm super excited to be showing you this unpacking of my simplified planner. This year is actually the first year I'm trying the simplified planner, and it is also the 10-year anniversary of the simplified planner, which means it comes in this beautiful hot pink 10-year anniversary box. And when you open it, you get a little navy booklet for what matters most. I actually love the navy, gold and pink color scheme. I adore it, and that's also why I actually chose I think it's the watercolor planner that I chose, with the lovely navy and pink flowers. And I will be opening that up right now. So here we go. And there's another piece of plastic on here. Let's take it out and move this to the side. So here we go. This is the daily watercolor simplified planner with gold edges, and oh my god, it's beautiful. Let's have a look. So when you open it up, you get stickers. And then obviously this is the academic version, so it goes from August of this year to July of next year, so August 2018 to July 2019. And if you go a few pages in, you get how to use your simplified planner page, and I've actually seen this one on Emily's how to use the simplified planner. She does a tutorial online. I think it's about an hour, and I haven't actually watched the entire tutorial yet, but I'm about to, and I'm gonna get stuck into doing the prep work for the planner. And then I think it's it actually is written in this booklet, so you are supposed to do the prep work first. What matters most and what are you carving time for? The second thing, add birthdays, anniversaries and important dates. 3, add reminders before big days. And 4, make time and get messy. Use washi tape, color code, make it yours. And I will absolutely do that. I actually also bought the washi tape. All the colors. I bought a little light pink page marker that goes with my planner, and the blank floral notepad. So I will quickly also show you what the days look like. Here we go. So you get an overview of the month first, and the paper is really lovely, and then you get 1 page per day, and it's a lot of blank space, which I think is intentional, to keep it as simple as possible, to give you a lot of space to make it your own, and that's what I love, and that's what I'm gonna do. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.